Alright, so there's 2 flathead screws after you take your cover off and your carburetor comes off. If you can push air through the hose into the tank and it's not clogged, then you know that's not the problem. So I'm thinking that I need to pull this carb apart and check the diaphragm. Alright, I don't really want to do this, but this is indicating I either need to bump it with starting fluid or pull this diaphragm off and hope there's no holes. Maybe even tune it, I don't know, but I think that it's not pulling fuel. It looks like a new carb, but that, like, don't really mean anything. Okay, so that's good. I'm gonna yank that off. Looks alright. I wonder if that hole is supposed to be there. Yeah, it smells like brand new oil. That's odd. Okay, so if you pull your muffler off and then there's oil everywhere like that, there's a good chance that it was leaking. I see this here. Focus. I think that's a hole that isn't allowing full compression to go through the carburetor. So, alright. I don't know if that's a grease thing. I'm going to do some research, but I wouldn't think it would be. You wouldn't want grease to go in your motor, but they were packing grease in it to block the suction and allow it to probably start. But if you see that grease right on the back, that's how you know it's getting pulled through. But I don't know if that's going to affect my airflow. Yeah, this saw is Italian, so it should be obscurely well built. I'll give it that. I have no idea if my kill switch works or not. That'd be nice to find out. Basically, to get this piece out, you want to pull off your cover plate, then there's 2 screws here, and pull your muffler, and then slide your case out some. Put that front long piece down in here first. Alright, so this is what we're working with. I need to find a screw that is identical to this. That's all that's missing, I think. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get it running or not right now, but I'm pretty sure that this seal isn't compromised by them holes.